The ABC15 Health Insider team also talking vaccines tonight as the vaccination numbers continue to rise. We're still seeing some hesitancy when it comes to getting the shot, and a lot of that comes over concerns of having so-called adverse effects. But how often are those bad reactions actually being reported? Our Faye Fredericks with some perspective for us tonight.
With some 4.5 million vaccine doses now administered and more than 38% of our population considered vaccinated, the Health Insider team checking with the CDC's Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System to see what kind of negative reports they're getting from here in Arizona. But before we get to the actual numbers, a word of caution from Arizona Medical Association President Dr. Ross Goldberg.
You can read all the reports you want. They need to investigate to see if they're actually real and linked to the problem at hand.
The CDC echoing that caution, saying anyone can report an adverse effect. Essentially, these are raw numbers. But from January to April, of the 104 adverse events reported in Arizona, there were 19 deaths reported, as well as 4 instances each of breathing trouble, malaise, general feeling of being unwell, oxygen saturation decrease, and being unresponsive to stimuli.
Just because things happen does not mean that there's a causative effect that one relates to another. You know, if I go drink a bottle of water and then walk outside and get hit by a car, I can't say that the bottle of water made me get hit by the car. So you have to really look at the whole scenario and map it out. And that's what the CDC and FDA are doing.
As they continue to track and investigate reports of adverse reactions involving all of the vaccines currently in use in the U.S.
If you have a question or a story you want our Health Insider team to look into, just send us an email to healthinsider@abc15.com.